Hey guys, today I'm going to do my homework. Does this shop sell washing machine? Yes, this is the latest washing machine. It is Swedish, not modern, is English. Could you show me how it washes? Shall I give you a demonstration? This one is our special demonstration machine. Is so simple. You take some sheet and shut. You put them in the machine. You shut this door and you push this button. The machine shouldn't shake like that, should it? Washing machines always shake, madam. Is finished now, but the sheet have shrunk and so have the shirt. Do you wish to buy this machine, madam? I'm not sure. Thank you for listening.